When Jesus walked beside them, an Easter story. Easter is more than a resurrection story. It's a moment when hope, shattered on a cross, begins to rise again. And in one of the most moving stories after Jesus' resurrection, two men take a simple walk, but it changes everything. It was the third day after Jesus died. The disciples were scattered, confused, and grieving. Two followers, Cleopas and another, were walking to a village called Emmaus, about 7 miles from Jerusalem. They were talking about everything that had happened. Then a stranger joins them. He asks what they're discussing. Surprised, they ask, "Are you the only one in Jerusalem who doesn't know what just happened?" They begin telling him about Jesus, how they hoped he was the one to redeem Israel, but he was crucified. And now, some women say he's alive, but they don't know what to believe. Then the stranger begins to speak, not just as a listener, but as a teacher. He opens the scriptures. From Moses to the prophets, he shows how the Messiah had to suffer and then enter glory. Their hearts begin to burn, but they still don't know who he is. When they arrive in Emmaus, they invite the stranger to stay. At the table, he breaks the bread, and suddenly, their eyes are opened. It's Jesus, alive. Then, he vanishes from their sight. They rush back to Jerusalem, saying, "The Lord is risen indeed." They realize that even in their confusion, in their grief, Jesus was walking with them. And now, everything makes sense. Maybe you're on your own road to Emmaus, confused, disappointed, wondering where God is. But the message of Easter is this: even when you don't recognize him, Jesus walks with you. Hope is not lost. It's just waiting to be revealed.